Good morning, Blaze. Wait, where are you?
I am down here, Jenny.
Why are you hiding under the table? Are we playing a game?
No, I am not Blaze anymore. I am a turtle. I am hiding in my shell.
A turtle? Why? What is wrong?
Because my English is terrible. I feel so embarrassed.
Embarrassed? Why? What happened yesterday?
I went to a beautiful restaurant. The waiter was a foreigner. I wanted to practice my English.
That is a great idea, Blaze. I'm proud of you.
No, Jenny, it is not great. I was very hungry. I wanted to eat hot chicken soup.
Yummy! Chicken soup is very good. Did you order it?
Yes, I smiled and said, "Excuse me, I want hot chicken soap, please."
You asked for chicken soap?
Yes, the waiter was very confused. He said, "Soap, do you want to wash your hands?"
Oh, no! And what did you say?
I was angry. I said, "No, I don't want to wash my hands. I want to eat it with rice."
You wanted to eat soap with rice?
Yes, everyone in the restaurant heard me. They all laughed. Even the chef laughed.
Oh, Blaze, I am so sorry.
It is a disaster. People think I eat soap. I will never speak English again. I will stay under this table forever. Goodbye, world.
Blaze, please come out. It is dark under there, and there are spiders.
Spiders? Okay, I am coming out. He crawls out quickly and sits on his chair, looking around. No spiders, but I am still the Soap King. I will build a castle made of soap.
You are not the Soap King. Listen to me, Blaze. Everyone makes mistakes. No one is perfect.
But everyone laughed at me. The waiter, the chef, even the cat outside laughed.
Yes, it was funny, but it is not a bad thing. Do you think I never make mistakes?
You? Teacher Jenny? No way. Your English is perfect.
Thank you, but no. When I was young, I went to a foreign country. I wanted to buy a pen.
A pen? That is an easy word.
Yes, but I said, "Excuse me, can I buy a pan?"
A pan in a stationery shop?
Yes. The shopkeeper looked at me like I was crazy. He said, "We sell books, not cooking pots." I was so embarrassed. My face was red like a tomato.
Wow. So even the great Jenny makes mistakes? I feel a little better.
You see? Do you know how a baby learns to walk?
A baby? I don't know. They just stand up and run very fast?
No, Blaze. A baby falls down 1 time, 2 times, 100 times.
Oh, that hurts. Poor baby.
Yes, but does the baby stop? Does the baby say, "I am embarrassed. Everyone is watching. I will never walk again"?
No, the baby cries and then tries again.
Exactly. The baby tries again, and soon the baby can walk, and then run.
Wait, are you saying I am a baby?
In English, yes, we are all babies when we learn a new language. Making mistakes is normal. Actually, making mistakes is magic.
Magic? How is eating soap magic? It tastes terrible. It tastes like flowers and chemicals.
Because, Blaze, will you ever say soap instead of soup again?
Never. I will remember it forever. S-O-U-P is for eating. S-O-A-P is for washing my body.
See? That is the magic. A mistake is the best teacher. You made a mistake, You felt embarrassed, and now your brain will never forget it.
Wow, you were right, Jeny. The mistake was like a tough workout for my brain. I am very strong now. I leveled up.
Yes, you did. Every mistake is a step forward. You just need to be brave.
Okay, Jeny, I am ready. I have a new mindset.
Wow, that is the spirit, Blaze. So what will you do?
I will go back to that restaurant right now.
Really? Are you going to order chicken soup again?
No soup today. I am brave, but I am not crazy. I want to eat something small.
Oh, you want a small food before dinner?
Yes, I will walk to the waiter and say, "Excuse me, I am very hungry. I want to eat a snake."
A snake? Blaze, wait.
Yes, a potato snake in a small bag. It is very crunchy and delicious. Potato snake.
Oh, Blaze, a snake is a long green animal. It lives in the jungle. It goes hiss.
A green animal? Oh no.
The word you want is snack, S-N-A-C-K, like potato chips or cookies.
Snack, not snake. Blaze pauses. He looks at the table. Then he smiles broadly. Look, Jeny.
What, are you going to hide under the table again?
No, look at me. I made a mistake, but I am not crying.
You are not?
No, I am the magic baby. I learned a new word. S-N-A-K-E is an animal. S-N-A-C-K is food. I will never eat a snake.
Yes, Blaze, I am so proud of you. That is the perfect mindset.
Thank you, Teacher Jeny. Making mistakes is fun. It is like a funny game.
Exactly. When you laugh at your mistakes, you are not afraid anymore. You are free.
Okay, Jeny. I am going to the restaurant now.
Good luck, Blaze. Remember your words.
Yes, teacher. I will order chicken, S-O-U-P, soup, and I will eat a potato snack. No soap, no snakes.
Perfect. I am very proud of you. What about you, everyone? Are you afraid of speaking English?
Don't be a turtle. Don't hide under the table like me.
Yes. Remember, making mistakes is the best way to learn. It is magic. If you never make a mistake, you never learn anything new.
That is right. Have you ever said the wrong word? Did you ask for a pan instead of a pen?
Or did you order soap for dinner? Tell us your funny stories in the comments below. We really want to read them.
And remember, if you make a mistake, you are just a magic baby learning to walk.
Exactly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Yes. See you next time on StoryStep English. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.